In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a WIP journal entry in QuickBooks Online. To get started, open QuickBooks Online and sign into your company file. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct company and ready to enter the transaction. A WIP, or work in progress, journal entry is typically used to track costs that have been incurred for work that is not yet completed, so accuracy here is especially important. From the left-hand menu, click on Plus Create. This opens the list of transactions and forms you can create in QuickBooks Online. From that menu, select Journal Entry. This will open a blank journal entry screen where you can manually record the WIP transaction. Next, enter the journal date. Make sure this reflects the correct accounting period for the work in progress entry. Choosing the right date helps keep your financial reports accurate and ensures the transaction appears in the proper month or reporting cycle. On the first line of the journal entry, select the appropriate work in progress account. This is the account where you want to record the value of the unfinished work. After selecting the WIP account, enter the debit amount. The debit should reflect the amount you want to move into YP based on your accounting records or project costs. Then move to the next line and select the offsetting account. This is the account that balances the entry on the other side. Once you've chosen it, enter the matching credit amount. The credit must equal the debit amount exactly so the journal entry stays balanced. If needed, add a description or memo. This part is optional, but it can be very helpful. A clear memo can explain what the entry is for, such as the project, time period, or reason for the adjustment. This makes the transaction easier to understand later when you or someone else reviews the books. Before saving, review the entire journal entry carefully. Confirm that the journal date is correct, the accounts selected are the right ones, and the total debits equal the total credits. This final review helps prevent posting errors and saves time on corrections later. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close. Your WIP journal entry is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching.